If you're using an Instagram account, you may have posted so many photos or videos. For example, in my case, when I go to my profile, here you can see so many photos and videos. And normally, it's arranged according to date. The latest video will appear first. But if you want to rearrange this, you can do that. If you're rearranging, the thing is that if you feel some photos or videos on your profile are good, you can place those first. So if anyone opens your profile, first they'll see those photos or videos and they'll have a good impression about your profile and they may follow us. So, in this video, we'll be telling you about how to reorder this grid on your Instagram profile. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. And when you're clicking on that, you will reach your profile. And in your profile, here you can see the grid option. Click on this. And here you can rearrange these photos or videos. To rearrange, what you need to do is click on any one reel or photo, and when you are clicking on that, here you can see the reorder grid option. Click on reorder. And from here, you can adjust this. For example, this video is in first position. I am moving it here. After that, you can go back. When you are going back, now here you can see that the video has been moved here. So this way you can easily reorder the grid of your Instagram profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.